Hello everyone, welcome to Drier Days Art Studio. I'm Catherine and I'm so happy to be here and I'm so happy to have you here. I haven't released a video in a while and I am so glad to be back. We have been moving and we're finally kind of settled in, and I got these new molds for my store and I couldn't wait to try them out, and I thought the best way to do that would be in a video for you all. So we're going to do a video on this blue feather trinket mold. And that pink one is going to be some special Patreon bonus content for my patrons over there. So if you're interested in supporting my channel, check out the video description. And here's the mold right here, the feather trinket mold. You can get that at drierdaysartstudio.com. We're going to be using the Ahoy glitter today, and also the deep blue pigment and the black pearl pigment, all from my store. I love using blue glitter, and Ahoy is one of my favorites. It is a beautiful, fine, dark blue. I find that 3 ounces is the perfect amount for this mold. So I will do about an ounce of the glitter and then 2 ounces of the pigmented resin. Here I am adding in the black pearl. We're going to mix the black pearl and the deep blue together because I wanted to deepen the hue of the deep blue. And I just tend to eyeball my mixtures. You want no more than a 10% pigment ratio to your resin volume. And so usually I will start with, as it was here, the resin in the cup, and then visually add in the pigments. Sometimes you will want to do it in another way where you have the pigment in first, and actually I will be showing that in the other feather video that I mentioned for my patrons. And we're just going to mix it really, really thoroughly to make sure it's not only mixed well with the resin, but that those colors are also mixed really well together. Making sure to scrape my sides of the cup and everything. And just getting a really nice consistency, and after I'm done mixing this, I will remix my glitter and then we'll be ready to pour. I wanted to stay with the shape of a feather and go along the stem there and branch out as the feather does in its shape. I wasn't sure how the glitter was going to work with this mold. You could honestly just use like a gold pigment or just one solid color for this trinket dish and it would be beautiful, but I really wanted to play with some glitter in it. And so I wanted to get that down first, so that there's a little bit down before the pigment goes over top of it. Using a silicone stick to gently push some of that glitter down in the base of the stem there. And I will use that silicone stick later as well to really get into the nooks and crannies and make sure that all the resin got down into all of the areas. Because as you may have noticed, I kind of have pulled up on the sides a little to make sure all the resin is getting down in there. I just love that Ahoy glitter, so pretty. And now with the pigmented resin. As I mentioned, this mold does need about 3 ounces. That's about perfect. I wasn't sure though when I was mixing this up, so I did make a little bit extra, and I used the extra resin to actually make a set of coasters. I'm going to be giving those away as well as with the molds over on my Instagram channel, or I'm sorry, my Instagram page, Drier Days. And I recently hit another milestone over there and we were moving, so I really didn't have time to celebrate or acknowledge it, and so the giveaway is sort of my belated acknowledgement and thank you for all of the support. And I also hit 30,000 subscribers on YouTube as well, and I am just over the moon about that. It has been almost 3 years of just really hard work and putting my heart and soul into these videos, and I am just so happy to have you guys here and that you're enjoying the videos, and I hope you continue to. Let me know if there's anything you'd like to see. I've really missed making videos. I've missed all of you, and I'm so happy to be back and bringing you guys new content and new products. And as you can see there, using that silicone stick again, just gently going again, kind of with the shape of the mold, not against the grain. And then I will finish off the top here with some more resin to really get it nice and filled all the way. All right, and then the favorite part, the demolding. So gently going to take a gloved hand here and work the edges off first. This mold is really durable. I've used it 3 times now already, and it's really held up well. You just want to be gentle with your molds and take care of them. And sorry I kind of go off screen here. I'm working in a new space, my new studio, and kind of getting used to my camera placement and everything all over again. So just working it around. And then what I will do is I will fold it up over one side. Sorry, it's off camera. There it is. And just gently pull down. And once I have it completely off, I will put the mold back in its normal shape. All right, and there it is. This was so fun to make. My daughters saw this and they're so excited for this, so I'm going to make each of them their own little trinket dish. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel so good to be recording and back with you again making videos. So if you want to check out any of these products, DryerDaysArtStudio.com is where it's at. Check out the video description for everything used, how you can support my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, everybody, keep on pouring.